This AI-generated YouTube channel is now making $47,000 a month teaching real investors how to actually make money. And I am going to show you exactly how I built it from 0 subscribers to a 6-figure income stream in just 30 days. But here's what nobody tells you about making money on YouTube. The opportunity isn't in teaching beginners anymore. It's in serving people who already have money and are desperately looking for the next legitimate opportunity. So in this video, I'm launching a brand new investment education channel, and I will show you the entire process from picking the perfect niche to creating AI content that builds genuine trust, to monetizing way beyond just ad revenue. Because if you're still relying on YouTube ads, you're leaving 90% of your potential income on the table. Now, after doing deep research into what's currently working, I discovered something shocking. Most finance channels are racing to the bottom, competing for beginners who have $100 to invest. But then I found this channel. They've gained over 180 million views in less than 18 months. They're earning around $8,000 a month from YouTube ads alone. But here's where it gets interesting. From analyzing their community posts and sponsored content, I estimate they're making an additional $39,000 a month. That's a total of $47,000 per month. And we want that. The real money in finance content isn't teaching people how to invest, it's showing people where the smart money is moving right now. I did a Google Trends search for alternative investments, and look at this spike. People with actual capital aren't searching for how to buy stocks. They're searching for pre-IPO investment opportunities or exclusive angel investment deals. These searches have increased 340% in the last 6 months. Wealthy individuals are driven by FOMO, just like everyone else. They don't want basic education, they want insider access. I also noticed these successful videos follow a specific emotional arc. The hook: this investment made early backers 10,000% returns. The credibility: real data, real companies. The opportunity: here's how similar opportunities work today. And the access: I'll show you the platform I use. This isn't clickbait, it's value-first selling. So, after analyzing hours of content, I've decided we're building an alternative investment intelligence channel focused on pre-IPO equity, tokenized real assets, and private credit deals. This niche is perfect because it has a high-value audience, recurring monetization, and premium partnerships. Now, let's set up the channel. I'm using an aged YouTube account that's at least 30 days old. New accounts promoting investment content get shadow banned immediately. For the brand, I went to chat with a prompt for a premium investment platform name. The concept Compass Capital stood out. Compass suggests navigation, capital signals serious money, and intelligence promises insider info. For the profile picture, I used Dolly with a specific prompt: create a professional logo for Compass Capital. Style: modern, minimalist. Include abstract compass rose integrated with upward financial chart. Color palette: deep navy blue, gold accents. The result was impressive. For the banner, a similar detailed prompt created a photorealistic, sophisticated office scene. Consistency is key. Then, the channel description. I used language like institutional grade, accredited investors, and deploy capital. Strategically, to immediately filter for our target audience, a legal disclaimer is also necessary and actually builds credibility. Setup complete. Now for the content. It's not the niche that gets views, it's the specific videos. I spent hours researching top-performing investment content. The hooks were always tied to a specific dollar amount, a time-sensitive opportunity, or a contrarian take. After feeding my research into chat, a clear structure emerged: hook, credibility play, present opportunity, mechanism, access point, and call to action. Our audience is action-oriented. They want a decision framework, not just a story. My research showed huge curiosity on a company called Linkto and the secondary market for startup equity. So our first video will be, I invested $5,000 in SpaceX stock, here's how. This title triggers possibility, proof, and curiosity. For production, we're not making animated stories, we're creating data-rich presentations. I used chat to generate a script foundation, then spent hours refining it with real data and personal touches. For visuals, I used Runway Gen 3 with highly specific prompts for B-roll, like SpaceX Starship launching at sunset, cinematic camera angle, 4K resolution. I also screen recorded myself using the actual investment platform for authenticity and used professional tools like Flourish for data visualization. For the voiceover, I used a premium AI voice from 11 Labs but adjusted the pacing and tone to sound like a real financial analyst, not a robot. This isn't a shortcut, it's using AI for tedious tasks so I can focus on quality. Once the video was edited in DaVinci Resolve with professional pacing and text overlays, it was time to upload. The title, I bought $5,000 of SpaceX stock, here's how you can too. The description was filled with keywords, timestamps, and affiliate links. And the thumbnail. My face, the SpaceX logo, and bold text, $5,000 into SpaceX. Then, the critical wait. I uploaded and waited 72 hours before doing anything else, letting YouTube's algorithm find the right audience without me co-opting its learning process. If you're building a finance channel just for ad revenue, you're thinking too small. The real money is in a multi-tiered approach: YouTube ads, affiliate partnerships, sponsored content, and a private community. On day 3, our first video had over 12,000 views and nearly 900 subscribers, with a click-through rate double the industry average. The comments were full of real questions, telling YouTube this content is valuable. By day 7, we hit 43,000 views, and the algorithm started showing our video alongside top finance channels. We had made $536 from one video in 7 days. By day 30, we had published 8 videos, gained over 24,000 subscribers, and generated a total of $23,090 from ads, affiliate commissions, consultations, and our first sponsored video. Here are the critical lessons. Audience quality is more important than audience size. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Use it for efficiency, but maintain human-level credibility. Trust is your only real advantage, built through transparency and real engagement. And finally, ethical monetization is key for long-term success. So, how can you do this? First, choose your high-value sub-niche. Research top videos and find underserved angles. Set up your channel professionally and script your first few videos. Then, create a production system, publish consistently, and engage with every single comment. Start layering in monetization after you've built initial trust. The opportunity is real, the playbook is proven, and the tools are available. The only question is, will you execute? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, where I break down exactly how I plan to hit that $47,000 mark in month 2. Don't forget to subscribe.